Now let's understand about the details of the parabola y square equals minus 4ax. If the equation of the parabola is y square equals minus 4ax, and here you see that a is negative because it is minus 4ax, therefore a should come which side? Left side. So the parabola will extend from infinity and takes a blunt turn at the vertex, but for the parabola y square equals 4ax, the parabola is on the left side of the origin. So this is the equation of the parabola y square equals minus 4ax, and x comma y is some point on the parabola. You can choose it anywhere on the parabola, and the vertex is 0, 0. Axis is x-axis only. So if I now list the details, what is the axis? Which axis is dividing the parabola into two equal parts? X-axis or y-axis? X-axis. Axis is x-axis in bracket, y is equal to 0, which is the equation of the axis. Vertex is a, that is nothing but the origin, because even in this case the curve takes a blunt turn at the origin. Tangent at the vertex is, as usual, it is the y-axis. Tangent at the vertex is y-axis, that is x is equal to 0. Then focus is at S, but S this time lies on the left side, so it is minus a comma 0. The coordinates of the focus is minus a comma 0. Then directrix. The directrix is a line opposite to the focus at a distance equal to origin to focus. So at a distance AS, I draw a line here. Now what is this line? Directrix. This is Z, and it is parallel to y-axis. Y-axis is x equals 0. So this should be x equals, and what is this distance? Same as the distance between vertex and focus. So that is x equals a. Directrix is the line x equals a or x minus a equals 0, and length of the latus rectum is always same. Length will not differ. And you know what is latus rectum? It's a straight line passing through the focus perpendicular to the axis of the parabola. And equation of LR, equation of the latus rectum. You know, latus rectum is a straight line parallel to the y-axis, therefore its equation should be of the form x equals, but it is to the left side. So, and it is at a distance minus a. X equals minus a. So equation of LR is x equals minus a or x plus a equals 0. And lastly, ends of LR. Ends of LR. That means the coordinates of the ends of the latus rectum. Upper end L. See, it is at a distance minus a, and total length is 4a. What is the total length of latus rectum? 4a. And here it will be 2a, and this will be 2a. So, and it is in the second quadrant. So what is the sign of the second quadrant? What is minus plus. So this should be minus a comma 2a, and the lower end L dash, it extends in the third quadrant, therefore this should be minus a comma minus 2a. So these are the details of the parabola y square equals minus 4ax. Notice that y square equals minus 4ax, the curve turns on the left side. So to summarize, axis is x-axis only, vertex is a comma 0, vertex is a 0, 0, tangent at the vertex is y-axis, that is x comma 0, x equals 0, focus is minus a comma 0, directrix is x equals a, length of LR is 4a, equation of LR x equals minus a or x plus a equals 0. Ends of LR, upper end is minus a comma 2a, lower end is okay.